I don't still bring ogbonge information come for una, make una see, make una hear. Good evening, my brothers and sisters all over the world. Is your girl, your sister, your friend, Wisdom Go TV show. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you for those that keep coming and watching my video. And thank you to those that have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe and God bless you. This information be say, me I no understand wetin Buhari want making use the poor turn to for that country. Me I always dey after the poor. I'm always after the poor because the rich wey dey that country, wey dem get money for that our country, things no dey quick meet dem o. Dem no dey quick dey, all these kind things now no dey quick meet dem. E no dey reach where dem dey. Na the poor na im dey suffer am. The poor na im dey suffer am. Can you imagine now, this very boy, this useless boy, this Fulani herdsmen, this Fulani boy dey wash fruit, mango, all this guava, cucumber wey im dey sell, go dey wash am for gutter. Dey wash am for gutter before im go begin dey sell am for people. And I believe today is not his first time. Na luck na run against am, wey be say person see am today. Understand me? How can you imagine person go use im money go buy wetin go kill am? Meanwhile, before, na Benin dey use am make parable say, you no go fit hold your money for hand, go use am buy wetin go kill you. The same Benin na still talk am say, belle eko egbe imino. That is belle. Anything wey go inside that belle, e dey very difficult for doctor to see. It is only God that will save that person. Because if God don't save you, say yes, e never reach your time wey you take die, doctor no go see wetin dey inside that belle. Na when God save you, na doctor go fit see and say, see wetin dey inside your belle. If they wan treat you before they treat you. Me, I dey always dey talk am for this my YouTube channel say, make my brothers and my sisters, make dem dey select food dey chop. They know the kind food you go dey buy dey eat. Because all these Fulani herdsmen, all these Hausa men, they are really hard for the poor. They want to kill the poor from that country so that they will not take over. Me, I no go imagine now person, you go open your two eye, they wash fruits wey person won't buy eat for gutter. And if you look at this gutter very well, you see and say, it's like e mix with fuel. The other day, I see one. E dey use snapper wey dey kill cockroach and rats. They use am preserve beans and stock fish. Meanwhile, that stock fish, now some go buy am for that Nigeria. E go lay use cold water, your wrist am, put am for food wey you wan cook. You no go use hot water take wash am. Abi na beans. Nowadays, if you put beans for fire, dey boil am, the water go black. Those days when me dey Nigeria, beans no be like that. Because of all these things, all these poison wey dey preserve am for people, make dem dey buy dey eat. Like this boy wey dey wash fruit for inside here so, na poison im dey give person so na. Fulani herdsmen go dey use poison dey kill who they wan kill for the poor. They go dey use gun dey kill who they wan kill for the poor. They go dey use sword dey kill who they wan kill for the poor. They go dey kill who they wan kill for the poor. They no go fit reach where those senators dey. They go leave governor, they go dey kill the poor. They go leave those senators, they go dey kill the poor. They leave Buhari kpakpa, that animal, they dey kill the poor. Wetin the poor do dem for that country? Wetin the poor do dem? Now he's washing this fruit from the gutters for people to eat, people to buy and eat. Give that fruit to this very boy now to eat. He will refuse to eat it. The way they sell this fruit now, say make they eat from this fruit now, they no go eat. Because they know wetin they do. They know say na gutters they for the wash am come out, or na gutters they for the preserve am. They know how many they put for that gutters, so that it go quick right for them. They go put fuel, put everything. You know, say if you see some mango now, it go be like say it black. You feel say it ripe. They don't use wetin they want to do am, maybe like that. Me, I no understand. I no understand the kind of life all these Hausa people, all these Fulani people, they follow people they live for Nigeria now. My live una watch the video about myself. I dey come back again.
This first or this one? This one here. This one on the other side. Okay.
Okay. Can you imagine?
You are
see the gutters where this boy for the wash that fruit now.
Oh, God will punish you people.
That kind of thing.
You are soaking mango inside gutter and you bring it out and you sell to
hygienic?
people, right? God
Is
will
it okay?
punish you people. God will punish
Even
you people.
for the even to shade very close to this gutter self, they don't do bad. Talk less of say they go dey wash wetin person wan eat for inside the gutter. Because as they shade for that gutter now, fly now go fly for that gutter. E go perch for those fruits wey they sell. E go perch for those cucumber be na wetin they sell for there. E no dey okay. Talk less of say you go just pack the mango, pack wetin you dey sell now, dey wash am for gutter. Now water they don't see money to buy water. I be me no understand wetin make dem decide to dey wash the thing for inside gutter. They come dey sell am for people make dem dey eat, make people dey buy and dey chop. You see how wicked human being, see how wicked human being is. Especially all these Fulani, Esme, all these Hausa people. They are really hard for the poor. For the rich, me, I don't know. I'm not concerned about that. I'm talking about the poor. They just come out. Give this mango to this boy, na me eat. This boy will not eat. Or give her any of those carrots, na me chop. You no go eat. Person go still owe money for hand. Go dey buy wetin wan kill am. Thank you and God bless you until we meet again. Don't forget.